Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now, which is perfect for St. Patrick's Day. It is a green smoky eye with some gold glitter in the middle, and I absolutely love it. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified for my future uploads. Today's notification shout out goes to Teresa De Gregorio, and thank you for having my notifications on. If you want a notification shout out, all you have to do is turn my notifications on and comment hashtag notification squad and you'll get one. So without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. So I am starting off with my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. This is a super hydrating serum that I use before foundation just to add another level of moisture to my face. I really enjoy this product. It was one of my last favorites and I'm actually giving one away right now. I'm going to start off with the eyes today because I just feel like it's necessary, and I'm priming with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going in with the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. I think that that's the most perfect transition color ever. I can't find one that's like, I have a bunch that are similar to that, but for some reason I keep pulling back to that one. I am moving on to a darker brownish reddish shade. Well, that one's more orangey, and then after that I am taking the reddish brown shade and I'm just building up the color in my crease. Next, I'm going in with a Morphe palette. This is the 35B palette, and I'm taking that green shade right there, and that's going in the outer and inner quarter, creating a halo effect. And I definitely go in to the crease a little bit and blend it out. I go in with a flat shader brush first just to pack on the product, and then I blend it out with a fluffier blending brush and just buff out the edges to make sure that there is no harsh lines. Right now it looks like a hot mess, but I promise you I clean it up. I'm just buffing out the edges with the original transition brush and shade, and now I'm just using a bit of concealer to just carve out the middle where the other color is going to go to make the halo effect. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape for this. I feel like it's the most best coverage concealer that there is, and you can't find one better than that. And I'm just taking those two green shades. One's like a lime green and the other one's a little bit darker. I ended up putting more of the lime green after this clip because I just felt like there wasn't enough contrast between the outer and inner corners. And then I'm just blending out the outer and inner corner as well as like the crease part just to make sure there aren't any harsh lines with the new color we added. And then of course going back in with the blending brush that we originally used just to again make sure there's no harsh lines. Now I'm just taking a black shade to deepen the inner and outer corner. And of course I took it on a flat shader brush and then on the fluffier brush. And as you can see, one eye is darker than the other. I eventually end up fixing it. I just don't think I caught it on camera. I added more of the green shade just to make it like a little less scary. But essentially that's what I did. To add that pop of like oomph in the middle, I added this Too Faced glitter. I love it. I use it as an eyeliner, but I was like, let me just use it as a glitter. I could have added just like a gold glitter, but I just thought that this would add a nice touch. And I think it looks really nice with the gold and the green. It just like goes well together. Now I'm just priming my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I think that's a great primer. It definitely smooths out my pores and just in general smooths out my face. Next, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. This shade I feel like is way too light for me, and it also pulls a little yellow on my skin. Like I have pink undertones and it's too yellow for me. But whatever, it works, and it's a decent foundation if you know how to prime and like hydrate your skin before, because it can be drying. And I love that Tarte paddle brush, by the way. It was in my last favorites. Next, I'm taking the NYX HD Concealer, and this one I feel like is too dark. Like it doesn't go with this foundation. Like I feel like it's a little too dark for this foundation that I'm using, but I still used it anyway, and then I ended up going in with the Tarte Shape Tape anyway. Every time I try to get away from Shape Tape, I just can't. Like I always end up going back to it. So why not double up on concealer for this look? I don't really care. I gotta do what I gotta do to get the job done. Now I'm just setting that using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette with the lightest powder the lightest powder, and then I'm taking this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder to set the rest of my face. You don't really have to set your face with this foundation because it is drying, but I felt like I wanted to just do that. Now I'm doing the lower lash line with the same exact colors I did on the top, like on my lids. I first took the transition shade on a fluffy brush, and then I took a more precise brush and I put the green in the inner and outer corners, and then the lighter green in the middle. And then I ended up taking the glitter as well in the middle just to like even out the halo effect. For lashes, I took the Nubounsom lashes in Russian. I'll have them linked down below. I don't remember which one is exactly they are, but that's the end of this look. For some reason, I lost the rest of the clips, which I'm really bummed out about, but I really hope you enjoyed this look, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!